So we're doing a fall CCG, Classic Care Guarantee, just maintenance. First thing I noticed is it's been a long, hot summer, and the filter needs to be serviced, cleaned, reset. So I'm definitely gonna get started on the heating checkup, get the AccuCleans cleaned up and serviced, and we'll go from there. So this AccuClean takes the place of your air filter. It's actually an air cleaner itself. It's a 3-piece air cleaner, and it is serviceable. It's got a pre-filter, the collection cells, and then a positively charged grid. So here's a flame sensor, and you always want to take this out, clean it off. Gets a little carbon buildup on there just to allow the furnace to continue to operate as it should. If it senses that there's no flame or something's wrong with the flame sensor, dirty, it will shut the furnace down and not allow it to run. So you just clean it off and put that back in there. So after you kill the power to the furnace, to clean the flame sensor, you need to come back down. The thermostat will go through a process of rebooting. Just waiting for the thermostat to reboot, and then we can fire the furnaces up and go for the heating check. So it's going through the startup process of the ignition. It goes through all kinds of safety features. Obviously there's a bunch of different limit switches, and it has to go through a loop on everything to make sure everything's safe to be able to completely fire up all the way. Then it sends a signal to the igniter, which it already has, then the gas valve, then it fires up, then it heats up, and once it heats up, your blower motor will come on and start heating. So I'm going to do a safety check on the pressure switch to make sure this does shut down as it should if it did have a problem. And it did. So there's one of the safety features on it to where that just sensed something is not right in the loop, and it will shut the furnace down. So just checking the motor out, making sure it's not overamping or anything, and it's actually doing really, really good. So we're doing a carbon monoxide check also. This is my standalone carbon monoxide detector. I'm waiting for it to reset. But if you guys haven't got your heating inspections done for the season yet, I would definitely recommend it for safety reasons alone. And if you have any problems with your furnaces, we would be glad to come out and get you taken care of.